Hello everyone, thank you for joining me Sunday for a shortcut tutorial. Just showing the differences between using an electrical embossing machine versus a manual embossing and die cutting machine. So I have a Cricut cuttle bug, and then I have an Anna Griffin electric embossing machine as well. So I purchased the Anna Griffin because sometimes I have, like large card orders, and then, my hand gets tired. So this is kind of a way to help, relieve some of the tiredness in my hands versus doing all of the cutting and embossing with my cuttlebug. So I am going to be using this folder here that came with the Anna Griffin because I like the pattern in there. I just want to show you the differences, if there is a difference between the two. So I'll go ahead and start off with saying hi to my subscribers. I do, not necessarily apologize, but, mental health is always, important. So sometimes it's okay to step away for a little bit so that you can regroup. So hopefully I am back and I will be able to do those videos like I used to. So thank you for sticking with me. So I'm going to start off with using my Cricut cuttlebug. So I'm going to place the here in the embossing folder actually. I'm going to get it in there and I am going to run it through so that we can take a look and see. Now I'm not necessarily putting it in any, specific way. It's just to compare the two. Like we say, the what is it, the embossed look, to see how it works. So here we go with the cuttlebug, and of course that's using the recommended sandwiches, which is the A plate, B plate embossing folder with material, and then the B plate. So this is, pretty much the Anna Griffin on as well. So let's take a look. So as you can see, if you can see clearly, it's, the embossing looks really good. So I'm going to go ahead now and do the Anna Griffin one, which of course we will use to compare. So just likewise, you have the A plate, a metal shim, the folder with the embossed piece in there, and then the A plate. So I'm going to go ahead and run that through the Anna Griffin so we can see the difference. Just give me a quick moment. So it's going through right now. Okay, so let's see. Let us see the difference. And of course, you can always try it with other electric ones too. I mean, that's just those I have. All right, so this is the Anna Griffin, and this is the Cricut cuttlebug. I would say I don't see much of a significant difference, to be honest. Everything looks pretty much the same. I know it's a little shiny, please forgive me, but the depth of the embossing is pretty much the same. It just in certain places, like maybe in this area here, and still it's not that big of a difference. You can see more of a more, a little deeper, what do you call it? I cannot get the word, but it looks like it's just a tad deeper than this one. This one has more of a smoother look on the outsides, but for the most part, all the areas are pretty much the same. So there you go. Between electric and manual, there's not much of a difference. I think the only thing it will save you is just your hand, really. So That's it. Thank you so much for watching. I shall see you guys next week. Bye.